Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hope you're staying safe and doing fine. I didn't post for a long time due to COVID-19, but here I am coming up with another recipe that is loved by children and by adults. I am making stuffed cheese garlic bread. I'm so excited to start. Let's get going now. So the first step is to activate the yeast. We usually heat the water too much, so the yeast dies. We have to take lukewarm water. So here I have 3/4 cup of lukewarm water. So you put the water in and you can touch it. You don't burn your hand. So that's the right temperature. Here I've added 3 tablespoons of powdered sugar to the lukewarm water. After this I will add 2.5 teaspoons of yeast. So 1 teaspoon, 2 teaspoon, and a half. Then mix it. And we will cross our fingers that the yeast activates. Then cover it with a plate and let it set for 10 to 15 minutes without touching. Meanwhile, we will make the dough. We will add 3 cups of all-purpose flour. By the way, this makes 3 garlic breads. So I'll add 1, the second cup, and the third cup. Now we will sieve it all together. Almost done. Sieving the maida is important so that this dry maida is airy and the dough rises very well. So the bread is soft. Now I will add 1 teaspoon of oregano. If you want, you can add more for the flavor. Then half a teaspoon of chili flakes. Half a teaspoon of pepper to give a little spice. 1 teaspoon of salt. Don't add too much because otherwise the yeast will die from the salt. So 1 teaspoon. Now we have to just do mix. So you can see the yeast activated very well. It's very foamy on top. So what we will do is just put the yeast mixture in the dry dough mixture. First I will do is do it with a spoon. I don't want my hands to get too messy also. Then later I will start kneading with my hands once the spoon is not helping me. Now I'll start kneading it with my hands until it forms a soft dough. You can feel how relaxing it is to just squish the dough in your hands and knead it. Also, yes, we will need more water. Around we will need 1/4 to half cup of water. So here we have half cup of warm water which we will add gradually. And then again knead. I've kneaded the dough for 10 minutes. Now we will add 2 tablespoons of olive oil, light olive oil. First just a little bit, then the rest. And again knead it. Just knead it for 2 minutes. So we have tucked the dough. Now we'll just take some oil and brush it on top. Then cover it with a damp cloth and let it rest for an hour in a warm place. Don't we all love stuffed cheese garlic bread? Write in the comment section below. And then we'll knead it again. Just like for 30 seconds. Then we will put it onto our wooden board. Now I will just divide into 3 parts. We will just sprinkle some maida and we will just spread it with our hands at first. Then we will use a rolling pin. We have to form it into a circle, slightly big circle because we're going to fold that circle into a semicircle then. I have rolled the dough into a circle and also here I have 3 tablespoons of butter. To that I will add some oregano, then some pepper, or some chili flakes also for the heat. I'll spread it on the dough. So we have that buttery flavor. Only on half of it, not whole, otherwise it won't stick together. Of course, then we will add some cheese. I'm using processed mozzarella cheese. You can use any cheese you want. So spread it evenly with love. So to make it healthy, I will add some corn. This is frozen corn. It cooks easily. And also some red capsicum for the color. Dun dun dun. That's done. I will just add a little bit of salt. Now we will just fold it. And just press the side so it's... Using a fork, I will just make the design so it looks a little fancy. Now after that, I will make some marks on the garlic bread. And I will just smear the butter mixture on top. And of course it is garlic bread, and also then I put some garlic that has been grated, and again just smear it. Also preheat your oven at 180 degrees for 10 minutes. This needs to go in the tray, and this will also proof for 10 minutes. Hey guys, look, our garlic bread is ready. Whoa, look at all that cheese overflowing, the corn and everything. But of course it's a little hot, so I'll just blow it and eat it all. Just joking. Thank you all for participating in the giveaway. The winners were intimated and rewarded. Also, please encourage me and help my channel grow. Thank you. Subscribe and share also.